Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designz brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So tonight I am participating in my monthly collaboration with Malinda, who is the host of tonight's collaboration over at The Crafty Doll, as well as Donna, the Creole Crafter. So we are to create 5 tier tray winter DIYs. But before I get started with the DIYs, I want to do something a little different by giving you an introduction of these beautiful ladies at the beginning of these projects, and then allow you to just enjoy the music while watching me bring this tier tray to life. So guys, without further ado, let's go. So let's begin with this beauty right here, Malinda, who's known as the Dollar General Queen. She has 2 channels here on YouTube. One is the Crafty Doll, where she creates beautiful DIYs, floral arrangements. And if you haven't seen her napkin rings, then I don't know what you're waiting on. You need to check out her channel so you can see those things. And then she takes her beautiful crafts and decor, and then she styles them on her secondary channel, All Things Home on a Budget. So head on over, check out Malinda, and tell her Joy said hello. Next, guys, we have Donna, the Creole Crafter. Donna is known as the Farmhouse Queen, but we don't want to limit her to just farmhouse. Donna is great at distressing and woodwork. So if you're looking for great DIYs on a budget using real wood and distressing that's unmatched, then you want to check out Donna's channel. Not to mention, she's killing it with the Christmas DIYs. So make sure you head on over to her channel and tell her Joy said hello. So guys, let's get into these DIYs. Bye for now.